What's up, everybody? This is Jim, your favorite DeWALT guy here at VCG Construction. And what we have for you today is a giant cat that just jumped in our shop. Go on, G. What's up, everybody? This is Jim from VCG Construction, your favorite DeWALT guy here. And what we have for you today is another innovation from DeWALT Tools, which will help you get through your job and your day just a little bit easier. And the best part is, you don't have to be part of the DeWALT platform to enjoy the benefits of these great tools. And we're gonna tell you all about it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. You wanna help out with the channel? Go on over to the merch store. Check out our hoodies, hats, t-shirts, and more. So what DeWALT has sent us here is their new Jobsite Pro X2 active noise canceling, true wireless earbuds, and charging case. This particular unit and model will not be available until January 2025. There are previous generations available. The features are a little bit different. You can check them out. You can find them online. They're coming in at around $69.95. Let's go through some of the specs here and some of the features. Up to 40 hours runtime with the charging case, ruggedized exterior, Jobsite tough, a carabiner loop, and you guys know I love carabiner loops, IP54 rated for sweat and water resistance, active noise cancellation, and dial volume control. I'm interested in that. I'm interested to see the dial volume control. That seems like a pretty cool feature. So let's see what comes in this box. The charging case and earbuds, type C to C charging cable, a 3-footer, small and medium memory foam ear cushions, small, medium, and large additional cushions and fins. I love that DeWALT sends out, just like with these neck bands and their other wireless listening products, different size ear cushions, because everybody's ear holes are a little bit different, and I have smaller ear holes, so standard size don't always work for me. So let's crack this open, see what we got. My favorite little DeWALT multi-tool. Here is the rugged charging case, which the difference between this charging case and the previous generation was actually IP56. This is IP54 rated for water and sweat when closed. This one has a carabiner loop, so you could hook it onto your key ring, your tool bag, whatever you want to clip it onto. Here is your USB-C charging port, right there. And here are your battery indicator lights. Once we get it on, we'll kind of check that out, see what's going on. We have our 3-foot C to C charging cable, additional ear cushions. Again, like I said, everybody's ears are a little bit different. So DeWALT is nice enough to give you small, medium, large ear cushions, small, medium, large ear fins. I like the case a lot. Very rugged on the sides, good construction, feels like, you know, could withstand a little bit. I mean, I wouldn't go throwing this around, but I'd be interested to see what the drop rating is on this. To pair, some instructions here on the back. Tell you how to pair. Put on earbuds, select DeWALT TWS Pro from your device, and then to reset, just put the earbuds in the case and long press the reset button. So everybody knows, this is the model DXMA1902097. This unit does come with a limited lifetime warranty. Guaranteed tough, just like the rest of our DeWALT tools. Let's open these up, turn them on, try to pair them up, see what happens. You can see left, right for your charging. And there is your pairing button right there in the middle. These earbuds are a little bit too big for me, so I would probably want to switch to the smalls. And how do you switch them? You just pull the ear pads off just like that. Let me grab these small ones. Pop them right on. There's a little rubber gasket on the inside of these ear pads that make it a little bit easier to get it onto the stem here. Pop them on real easy. Put them in the ear holes. Yep, see, these small ones fit my ears a lot better. And I really do. I love the fact that they give you the different options to be able to fit it more comfortably. So let me take my cellular device here and try to pair this. Go to my settings, open up my Bluetooth, and look, found it right there, already up there. DeWALT TWS Pro, click on it, and I just got a audible signal in my headphones that these are connected. Very simple. Let me go ahead and see if I could play some music on here. Sounds good. And these dials here on the sides, which I really like, spins independently, but they both control the volume for both earpods. What I really like about that is if you're working and your hands are tied up, your phone's in your pocket, you're listening to music or you're on a phone call and you need to adjust your volume, you don't have to go fumbling around in your tool pouch, on your tool rig or wherever your phone is. You could adjust the volume right here. Turn your music up because nobody's talking to you. Turn it down so you can interact with your coworkers or whoever's on the job site. Turn it down. And it gives you an audible beep again when it goes all the way down to mute, and then crank it up full. And it gives you an audible beep when it's at full capacity for volume. Hey, can I call you right back? Interestingly enough, again, as every single time I test one of these DeWALT devices, I get a phone call in the middle of it, and it works just, Pop, you there? Everything okay? I'll give you a call back in a little bit. You could hear me okay? See that? Talking to my grandfather right now, he could hear me perfectly clear. All right, Pop, thank you very much. I'll talk to you in a little bit. I love you. Works just fine. Clicked right over to these. Zero interruption in between the music, the phone call, no hang-ups, no lags. Just buzzed right over in the middle of this demonstration. You also have these buttons here inside the volume dials, and these buttons are for the EQ modes, but I'm gonna go ahead and check the manual here real quick. To manage your calls and music, press the multi-function button once on the left or right of the earbuds. So this button in here inside of each dial will effectively change your EQ modes and switch between calls and music. So to pause your music, you would press the multi-function button on the left or the right once. If you want to switch EQ modes between your podcast, your movies, music, or if you want to add bass if you're listening to music, you would press the multifunction button on the left, and it would be a long press to toggle between EQ settings. So let me go ahead and test that out. So I'm unpaused, my music's playing, I'll hold the long left in, and it actually gives me a verbal indication that I'm on podcast mode. Now, if I hold it in again, movie mode. Hold it in again, super bass. I like the super bass. I'm listening to music right now, so we're gonna go super bass. Really cool. Very similar functions to my favorite neckband here, but just a little bit different. If you don't want this version with the speaker, with the neckband, if you feel more comfortable with regular wireless earbuds, this may be a solution for you. Again, you do not need to be on the DeWALT platform for these wonderful innovations that help me get throughout the course of my day very easily. Anytime I could stay in communication with my team, my phone, my clients, everybody, and I don't have wires hanging in front of me that I gotta play with to kind of maneuver, and I got tools in my hand, I may be carrying material. I love any type of wireless innovation, and DeWALT, especially this year, I feel has gone above and beyond to give tradespeople and DIYers, and really anybody, you don't need to be a tradesperson to have DeWALT earbuds. I mean, if you just want decent earbuds, noise canceling earbuds that are waterproof, you wanna wear them while you're working out, you wanna wear them while you're at the beach, whatever, these are perfectly fine. You do not need to be a tradesperson or a DIYer. These are just good earbuds in a good case that have a lot of features that even some of your other software companies' earbuds may not have. So why not give these a shot? It's a great solution. I'm gonna have to play with these a little bit longer and kind of wear them on the job site. I can tell you that the 40-hour runtime is extremely interesting. So I'm really excited to see if these may take the place of not necessarily just my job site earbuds, but my everyday earbuds when, again, I may be working out, playing sports, having to catch with the kids. This may be a different solution, not to take the place of the neckband, but to use in conjunction or in other scenarios. So charging the case here, plug one end in to your charging case, and the other end into your USB-C port or USB-C adapter. Pop these back in, see how easy they are. Right, goes in the right. Real simple, positive click. You can see where the charging ports are. You really just gotta kind of line them up, pop them in, close it, and now my wireless earphones are now charging. Even when not charging, once you open up the battery case, the indicator lights will actually flash to let you know where your battery level is. So I don't have any USB-C adapter blocks here, but what I do have is a USB-A. So I'm gonna try this USB-A to C and see if this will charge my charging case. Pull this up here. There it goes. You can see I have my charging bars lit here. 1, 2, 3, 4 charging bar indicators. And when the 4th charging bar indicator is lit, that means we are fully charged. So these multifunction buttons, again, inside of the volume wheels also will act as your call feature options. So while you have your earbuds in, you're listening to music, you're doing work, whatever may happen, you get a phone call. To answer or hang up, you could press the left or right multifunction button once to answer and or hang up. If you want to reject the incoming call because you don't have time to answer it, you're busy, your hands are tied up, you just press one button and hold it for 1 full second and it will deny the call, either side, left or right. If you want to switch callers during your call, you have the option to do that as well by pressing the multifunction button on the left or right twice, and that will switch and put your other call on hold. If you want to activate a voice-activated assistant on your phone, whether you have an Android or an iPhone, as long as you are not playing music or currently on a phone call, you can again use the multifunction button, press it 3 times, and that will activate your voice control through Siri and or Google. Now, for me, I may be using these in personal time, recreational time, or on the job. If I'm wearing them on the job, I want to check and see how the active noise cancellation does. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the music on, run this drill for a minute and see, yeah? You hear my music? I mean, I can hear the drill, but the active noise cancellation is very positive compared to some of its competitors in the market and just wireless earbuds. And I'll tell you this much, it's difficult to tell how loud I am, and I don't even really have the cushions set properly yet. So this active noise cancellation is pretty legit for earbuds from a tool company here. I'm really enjoying this. I'm really liking this. I see this being beneficial, not just on the job site, not just if you're a tradesperson, not just if you're a DIYer. Again, wear these anywhere. IP54 rated for sweat and water. Rugged case, you can clip it onto anything. You can clip it onto a tool bag, a work bag, a keychain, a sports bag, anything. You do not need to be a DeWALT fan or on the DeWALT platform to take advantage of the innovations of an awesome piece of equipment like this. Sound quality between my neckband unit and these wireless earbuds is very, very comparable. Again, I have these fitted to my ear a little bit better for now because I wear them every day, but the sound quality is very comparable between the two. I'm not seeing much of a difference at all. Let me know down in the comment section below. This is going to be available January 2025. I don't know the price point on this just yet. The previous generation was $69.95. This has a little bit of a different feature set than the previous generation, so let me know, what would you guys be willing to pay for a solution like this? And if you love being first to hear about all the new latest tool and tech out there, then hit subscribe. It costs nothing for you to do. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you all on the next one.